Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to answer this frequently asked question concerning SAS calculator use. So the question for this video is, can you use a calculator on the SAT math section? Where the right answer to this question is yes. The digital SAT allows students to use a calculator throughout the entire math section. In addition, the testing app includes a built-in graphing calculator, though you may also bring an approved handheld calculator for the SAT math. Okay, so this is what you need to know concerning this. Alright, so if you go through my channel, as you can see, I have a couple of videos on SAT math calculator techniques. So this video in particular that is staring at you, this particular one here I'm pointing at, this is a 2 hour plus video. So when you go through it, if you take your time to go through it, it's going to show you various SAT math calculator tricks we need for the exam. Okay, so I hope I answered this question for you. Okay, so recently now SAT is including built-in graphing calculator, which is the Desmos calculator, but I still prefer TI-84 plus CE. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will see you in my next video. Okay.